Sounds like the newspaper's here. Okay, let's... Haha! Got it right on the fly. Woohoo! That's the second time I've got it. Haha! For those of you keeping track. Alrighty. Okay, after ensuring that you're... Okay, after ensuring that your RC-28 has the latest firmware, cable to one of the AC jack on the back. It's wireless. Douse the... Oh, I'm just reading something. It's funny. Douse the RC-28 in mineral oil. It's like computer overlords. Well, it's obviously not that one. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Oh, crap. Oh, I mean, okay. Oh, okay. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, well, let's give it a look here. Okay, plug it. Plug it in using the supplied cable to... Well, I'm gonna go for A. I'm not 100% sure, but that sounds logical. Based on the fact there is a USB, there's two USB ports on the front. I don't know what the ACC jack on the back is. It's not wireless, so you definitely don't douse it. So that should be the right answer. Yep, it is. Based on finding out what it is, which I didn't know what it was before I looked, but it made sense. So until next time, Randall and Rueff, K9RMR, saying send me 3. And now you know.